Good morning, engineers, and welcome back. Thank you very much for all the positive messages I received, especially via LinkedIn over the last months. So I'm happy to share that I'm back on the stage where I want to build workflow, which I want to share with you. But this time I won't do it in a random way as I did it in the past. So this time I really thought about the concept. And this time the concept will be that we start building an easy workflow, and then every week we will add more and more functionalities to this workflow to have in some weeks a really huge and powerful workflow. So we will do it all together in always 2 to 3 minutes. We will enhance these workflows to add these functionalities. But on the same time, I thought about to invite some special guests every 3 to 4 weeks to discuss workflows which are really advanced. So this will be a pre-built workflows, but we can have a look into it so that everybody can understand what's possible. So all in all, what kind of workflows we will build in the next weeks? So we will start with some pretty easy automated FE workflow. It's one of the workflows you already know from the past. And then we will add more functionalities. We will connect it to CAD systems. We will connect it to PLM systems. We will give the possibility to change between different CAE solvers. We will connect it to databases. But then also we will discuss some really advanced topics as AI. So said that, we'll quickly share my screen so that you understand a little bit about the tool, so how we will do this. So let me quickly share my screen. Just give me a second. Here we go. So we will do it with the platform from Synera. And this is a pretty easy one, as this is a low-code platform. So you do coding or programming with visual already pre-coded nodes. And the software looks the following. On the right side, we have the viewer. In the viewer, we can visualize geometry, but also the pre and post-processing of simulations. On the left hand, we have the canvas where we do all this programming. And as mentioned, we will do it with pre-coded nodes. So here you can find the nodes. They are all structured and it's pretty easy. So for example, if you search for, or if you want to create a circle geometry, you just drag and drop this node into the canvas and you can already see on the right side, the curve, or in that case, the circle appears. So we can also change, for example, the radius. Let's quickly do it. We will put a variable behind so that we can easily change it. And for example, we could also change then the plane, the position of the plane. So let's quickly do it so that you understand it. So let's say YZ plane, and also move the point a little bit. So let's say we move it up. It's 20. In that case, we won't use the number slide again. We will use a panel. So also changeable, 15, for example. And you can see here, we build a plane, we build a point, we build a circle, and then we can fill the circle with a surface. And for example, we could then go a little bit into the FEM world, mesh the surface, let's say, with the size of 2. And that's more or less how the platform works. So every node has an input, an output, and you just connect the output of one node with the input of the next node. So that's it, more or less, for the first episode. Looking forward to next week, where we really start to build our first usable workflow. So let's open LinkedIn next Monday morning and watch the next episode. See you.